is being commanded by the NCC Junior Wing Commandant Darby Patel, who is proudly leading the group with firm steps and unwavering confidence. Right behind marching the pride, our school Captain Dakshraj Singh Parmar, a symbol of dedication and true leadership. Following him is the troop of captains representing different responsibilities. The Vidyala, a girls captain Harshida Rathod, also with the sports captain, mess captain, CCA captain and vice captain, all marching together in perfect formation. Marching next forward with the pride discipline is NCC Junior Wing and Junior Division. Two is the JD Captain Ansh Gulani, commanding the contingent with confidence, firm posture and perfect coordination. The National Cadet Corps stands as a symbol of discipline, unity, leadership and selfless service to the nation. These cadets are not just students in uniform, they are the future guardians of our culminations, being trained to serve the nation with courage and responsibility. Observe their synchronized steps, their upright shoulder and their focused eyes, each movement reflecting. And now the Vidyalaya captain contingent is approaching the national flag. All eyes turn forward to the tricolor, the national flag. The contingent prepares to offer the highest respect. I write salute, saluting the Tiranga, a symbol of sacrifice, unity and freedom. जिसमें अकेला चलने का हौसला होता है, उसके पीछे एक दिन काफिला जरूर होता है. Moving forward, and now the NCC contingent is nearing the national flag, the pride every Indian heart. Captain Ansh Gulani leading the Junior Wing Commandant NCC. Prepare to honor the Tiranga with full respect and discipline. I write salute. Saluting to the national flag, the cadets showing their place to loyalty, service, dedication to the nation. Next, the contingent approaching near the national flag with respect in their hearts and discipline. The Bharat Scouts and Guides, well led by Captain Moksha. Look at their steady steps, their smart uniform and their confident expressions. Prepare to help, prepare to lead, prepare to serve the nation in every situation. These Scouts and Guides reminds us that a strong nation is built not only by soldiers and borders, but also by responsible citizens in the society. Next, we have the captain of Nilgiri Senior House. These young girls represent the true spirit of strength and determination, their synchronized steps and upright postures, so that today's young women are ready to lead, achieve, contribute to the nation in every field. The march reflects the growing power of women in India, confident, capable and courageous. Nari Shakti, Nari Samman, बड़ा रही भारत की शान. Next, the captain of Udaygiri Senior House Sejal. The girl house contingent now approaching to the national flag, prepare to salute the Tiranga. I write salute. The salute shows their respect for the nation and their promise to a responsible citizens. Aravali Junior and Senior House marching first in the Moorish contingent, very well led by the Captain Priyank, representing blue colors symbolizing stability and strength, just like the mighty Aravali ranges. Look at their steps, what an amazing pinpoint precision of march past. Following up is the Nilgiri House led by the Captain Apurva, with confidence and pride representing green color, showing growth, harmony and progress like the green Nilgiri ranges of the country. What an amazing I write salute to the national flag, showing their full loyalty and respect to Tiranga. Great strides, great formation, what an amazing display. Next comes the Shivalik House, led by the captain Aryan Sharvaiya, with confident steps representing red color, standing for courage, determination and fearless spirit. What an amazing display. I write salute to the national flag Tiranga, showing the full loyalty and distinguish to the national flag. The next contingent is marching towards the flag is the Udaygiri Junior and Senior House, led by the captain Rudra Chawda, representing the yellow color that symbolizes energy, enthusiasm and rising aspirations, just like the rising sun. Observe their confident march, their coordination, their discipline, truly reflecting the spirit of young India. तिरंगा हमारी शान है,